Hi guys! Today I want to share another Finnish recipe with you for delicious and soft Finnish potato flatbreads. And we are going to serve them with some homemade egg butter. Sounds delicious? Let's get started! You want to start by boiling the potatoes and draining the water. Then add them to a heat-proof bowl, a big bowl, and add the butter and the milk. And season with salt. Now you want to leave everything aside until the butter is almost melted. Then give it a good mix and start mashing the potatoes with a potato masher. You want to have a really smooth potato mash, so if the potato masher is not enough, you can also smoothen it out further with an immersion blender. Then add the egg and mix until it's well combined. Now you can start adding the dry ingredients, so take the flour and mix it with the baking powder, and then add 1/3 of the flour to the potatoes and give it a good mix. Repeat this until you have used up all of the dry ingredients. At the end, you want to have a nice and smooth mix where you have the flour all well combined with the potato. Don't worry if it looks a little bit soft, you want to keep it really soft and don't add any extra flour because that's how the potato flatbreads will stay really nice and soft. Then lightly flour a cutting board and with an ice cream scooper make 15 equal-sized balls out of the dough. Use a little bit of flour in your hands so that the dough doesn't stick. Now lay a parchment paper on a baking tray and start forming the flatbreads. Here again, use a little bit of flour if your fingers start to stick. Don't put more than 6 flatbreads on each baking tray. Once you have formed the flatbreads, you want to pierce them well with a fork. This will prevent any air bubbles from forming. For the baking instructions, please check the description box. After baking, allow the flatbreads to slightly cool and then wrap them in a clean kitchen towel to keep them warm and soft. Now we want to make the egg butter. For that, you need the softened butter and the cooled hard-boiled eggs. You want to mash the eggs into the butter with a fork until it's all nice and smooth. And remember to season with some salt. Serve the warm flatbreads with some egg butter on top. I hope you will like this Finnish recipe, and if you'll try it out, let me know in the comments below. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.